One children. How are you all? Same question, no? Every time. Very good. I feel that you are all keeping well, studying, working hard at home. I pursue and I hope. Okay? Now, we have been learning different lessons and grammar passage. I hope you are all writing down the notes that you are getting. Yes or no? I believe. Okay? Now, we have seen the lessons and we learned a poem Macavity, and I will be sending the notes. Please copy down whatever is given to you in the textbook. Whatever meanings are there in the textbook, as well as I will be also giving some of the notes and meanings and things like that. And work hard, children. Time is very limited. You don't waste your time. You have to work hard and study. Okay. Today we will learn something about a new lesson. It is called Bipin Chowdhury's Lapse of Memory. That is a new lesson. Bipin Chowdhury's Lapse of Memory. What is the meaning of lapse of memory? You know, Bipin Chowdhury is the name of a person. Okay, lapse of memory means loss of memory. He lost it. He is losing his memory. So, in the lesson you will learn Bipin Chowdhury's loss of memory. Okay, you all say, no, sometimes if we ask, or when teachers or parents ask, did you do that? No, sister, or I forgot. Sometimes, very often, we people say that we forgot things. Maybe it is for a link. Here, Bipin Chowdhury, he forgets not only like as small things or big things, he almost the half of his life, so many things, what had happened is forgetting. So there is a loss of memory that you will learn. Here, it is, do you have a good memory? Because you are all studying, you know. We should have good memory. Memory, that we have to train our memory. It is easy because we are good. God has given us all good brain. Okay. What happened to us is we are not training that. You must learn little something, then remember, recall, and then you will increase your memory capacity. Is it not? So, all of us have forgot that, but because we are not using it proper way, we say that we don't remember, we cannot study, we are forgetting what we are studying. Very often I hear people say that we are studying but we are forgetting in the exam time. That means we are not keeping properly. We are not keeping the memory in good terms. We are not training our memories. Here we will see forgetfulness often puts us in a tight spot, because very difficult, you know, forgetting things is very difficult. Sometimes after the exam you say, oh, I knew the answer but I forgot, or something to do, some important work that was given to you, oh, I forgot, I did not do that. This kind of things because of our carelessness. Mostly sometimes it can be carelessness, or we are not interested. Some things happen. So, you will learn a lesson here how Bipin Chowdhury's memory is losing. Okay. As we take your textbook, you please look into your textbook. You don't go on reading. I will explain to you only, then you will. Otherwise, you will lose the interest of learning. Okay. Take the page number 60 of your textbook. Bipin Chowdhury's Lapse of Memory. Okay. So, here, as we read the lesson, before that it is a question asked, do you have a good memory? Has your memory ever played any tricks on you? Yeah, this is all answer you, reflect and give. Okay. Then, forgetfulness often puts you in a tight spot. But forgetting a part of your life completely may drive you crazy. Crazy means mad. You will go, see, difficult, no? You will feel, oh, I forgot. Then you will feel and cry, all those things because of that. In this story, Bipin Babu goes nearly crazy because he cannot recollect his stay at Ranchi. He has never been to Ranchi. He insists. though there are many witnesses to the contrary. What is the suspense all about? Okay, this is the story that you are going. This is about the Bipin Chowdhury's loss of memory. He had been to Ranchi and he denied that he never been to Ranchi. It's a long time he must have been there, and there are so many people, eyewitnesses are there. As we go enter into the lesson, we will learn part by part how this particular man, it is a interesting story. Okay, so we will learn how this man is denying the truth. It is not denying, it is a problem with him. He may be losing his memory, and you should now find out what is the reason. As we improve the lessons, you will come to know what really happened in the life of this Bipin Chowdhury. It is of course whether true or it is a story. It is up to the poet, the writer tells us how the writer is able to imagine so many things, and he put this one into a test lesson for you. Okay, now let us enter into your lesson. Please look in your page number 60. The first part we will see today. Okay, every Monday on his way back from work, Bipin Chowdhury would drop in at the Kalcharnas in the New Market. So, after he was a working man. He is working. He is having some work in the office. After the work, every Monday he will go to the shop. That's which place? Kalcharnas in the New Market. It's a place where he is working. So he goes there every evening after the work. To buy books. Why he go to that shop? He was a very good reader. Maybe his hobby was reading books. So he goes there to buy books every Monday. Okay. Crime story. What are the books he read? Crime stories, ghost stories, and thrillers. These are the interesting book that this particular man read. Okay. Crime stories, ghost stories, and thrillers. You know the meaning of it. Okay. Now, he had to buy at least 5 at a time to last him through the week. So, every week he goes to buy the books. At least 5 books he will buy. Why? Because every day he will read. For 1 week, 5 books. That what a wonderful man. He will have a very good knowledge. Is it not? Because reading capacity, reading will develop our knowledge, widen our knowledge, understanding. So this man he used to read every week. He buys 5 books and reads. Now, what is that? He lived alone, was not a good mixer, had a few friends, and he did like to spend time in idle chat. So, this man was living all alone. He had nobody, and he had only few friends. He was a lonely man. He did not make any friends, but he doesn't like unless idle chat. Idle chat meaning is unnecessarily talking and wasting time. Some of us do that, is it not? We waste our time simply chit-chatting. So this particular man, he was not happy to do that. Instead of that, what did he do? He always reads books. Okay, very good habit. So you must develop that habit in him. Not everything, but the habit of reading, so that you can widen your knowledge. Today at Kalcharnas, Bipin Babu had the feeling that someone was observing him from close quarters. So, one day, that day when he went to the market, that shop, he understood someone is observing him. Somebody was looking at him, staring at him, observing him, what he was and things like that. So, he was observing close quarters. He turned around and found himself looking at a round-faced, meek-looking man who now broke into a smile. So he understood, and he just looked around and looked at the man, and just he realized that man was giving a smile at him. Meek-looking man who had broke into smile. He just broke into smile, just smiled at this Bipin man, Bipin Chaudhary, who the man who was there observing Bipin in the shop. So, I don't suppose you recognize me. So the man is telling, I don't know whether you recognize me. Okay, have you met before? Asked Bipin Bau. So then Bipin asked that man, have you seen me before? So he is asking. The man looked greatly surprised. So the man was greatly surprised. This fellow, he don't recognize. So because they must have spent as we go there. So he realized why this man, he was shocked that Chaudhary did not recognize him. We met every day for a whole week. He is telling, for 1 week I was with you. Every day we were meeting. Who? The man is telling to Bipin Chaudhary. I arranged for a car to take you to the Hudru Falls. Hudru Falls is in Ranchi. It's a beautiful place. The people go maybe to spend the time and things. He's telling, I arranged a car to take you to Hudru Falls. So maybe the sightseeing, no? So man is telling, I arranged, every week I was meeting you and I arranged a car for you to go to Hudru Falls. In 1958, in Ranchi, my name is Parimal House. So his man is introducing himself. In 1958, you came to Ranchi and we were staying, maybe I was very close with you, almost 1 week we were meeting every day, and I arranged a car for you and I took you to Hudru Falls and maybe sightseeing, things like that. It is in Ranchi, and he is telling, my name is Parimal Ghosh, he is telling, and he is introducing himself to Bipin. He said, my name is Parimal Ghosh. Now Bipin Bau realized that it was not he, but this man who was making a mistake. Then Bipin is thinking, no, I am not the one. This man is making a mistake, because Bipin is not at all remembering anything that had happened. He is telling, I may not be the same man. Maybe thinking about someone else. Bipin is telling, Bipin have never been to Ranchi. He is telling, I had never been to Ranchi. Who is telling? Bipin is telling, he had never been to Ranchi. He had been at the point of going several times, but never made it. He said, I thought of going to Ranchi many times, but I never made an attempt. Who is telling? Bipin is telling. But the other man is telling, you in 1958, you came to Ranchi, I took you, all those stories. Okay. He said, no, different times I thought of going, but never made it. Who is telling? Bipin is telling. Bipin never gone to Ranchi. He smiled and said, do you know who I am? He is asking. Who smiled and said? The Bipin is telling. It's not. Who do you? He smiled and said, do you know who I am? The man raised his eyebrows. He just raised his eyebrows, bit his tongue and said, do I know you? Do I know you? Who doesn't know Bipin Chaudhary? So he is asking, you think that you don't know, nobody knows about you or do not know you? So he is telling Bipin Chaudhary, who doesn't know Bipin Chaudhary? So he is asking, the man is asking. Bipin Babu now turned towards the bookshelves and said, still you are making a mistake. So Bipin could not recall, it's not. So he did not bother, he just turned about his book. He is trying to buy the book and he is telling that still you are making a mistake. I don't know you are making, you may be mistaken me by someone else. I don't know. This is what the Bipin is telling. Okay, one often does. I never have been to Ranchi. He said very often people make a mistake, but it is not I. You must be thinking someone else. he is telling he had never been to Ranchi. Who is telling? Bipin is telling. The man is telling he met him in Ranchi. But Bipin is not agreeing that. Okay. No. What are you saying, Mr. Chaudhary? The man is asking. What are you telling? What are you telling, Mr. Chaudhary? You had a fall in Hudru and cut your right knee. So he is telling all the incident that happened there. Okay, you had a fall when I took you to Hudru Falls, and you had a fall and you broke. Maybe you had a deep cut on your right knee. I brought you iodine. Iodine means medicine to apply on the. So he is narrating all the things that had happened, but Bipin is not able to remember. Okay, I had fixed a car for you to go to Netrahat, and on the next day, in the next day, he said, I took you. You had a fall. I provided medicine for you. Then I arranged a car for you to go to Netrahat, and on the next day, is all that thing the man is explaining to Bipin Chaudhary. But you couldn't because of the pain in the knee. But because you are having pain on your knee. Knee means what? On the legs, no? So because you were having pain, you could not do anything for you, but I was doing everything for you. Can't you recall anything? The man is telling, can't you recall that? Even that? Someone else was also in Ranchi at that time. He said there was somebody else also whom was there in Ranchi. Who is telling? The man is telling. What is our Parimal Ghosh is telling? Not only myself, there was someone else also with us whom in Ranchi. Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee. He is telling, Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee, you stayed in a bungalow. He is telling, Dinesh Mukherjee is one of your friend whom you knew, and you stayed in a bungalow. You said you didn't like hotel food and would prefer to eat your meals cooked by a Baurachi. Baurachi means cook. So you were staying in a bungalow, but you wanted to eat food in someone's house because you did not like hotel food. So that is what he is telling. All that Parimal is explaining to this particular man, Bipin Chaudhary. But Bipin is not remembering anything that had happened. Okay. So he said, you did not like. She said that you would prefer to have meals cooked by a Baurachi. Baurachi means a cook. Okay. So he is telling all those things. He is recalling so many things, but Mr. Bipin is not remembering anything that had happened. Okay. Mr. Mukherjee stayed with his sister. He is telling, and then he is talking about the other man. Mr. Mukherjee stayed with his sister. You had a big argument about the moon landing. Remember? So he is telling, you had Bipin and Mukherjee. Both of you had a big argument about moon landing. Remember? I will tell you more. He is telling all this. He is telling many things, but Bipin is not remembering. He is telling, I will tell you more. What is that? You always carried a bag with your books in it on your sightseeing trip. Whenever you go out for sightseeing, you always carried a bag and books in that bag. So the man is very close to him, and he knew everything about Bipin, but Bipin is not remembering. So, am I right or no? He says, am I right? What is that he is asking? You always carry a bag with the books wherever you go to see the sight. Am I right or not? Then he is telling, Bipin Babu spoke quietly. His eyes still on the books were in the shop. Okay. Which month in 58 he is asking, in which month it had happened? Are you talking about? So you are talking now. So in which month? In 1958, which month you are talking about me? The man said October. The man said in 1958 October month all this had happened. No, sir, said Bipin Babu. He said, no, I don't remember. I know. I spent puja in puja holidays, no? I spent puja in 58 with a friend in Kanpur. He said, I was not in Ranchi, but in 1958, I was in Kanpur with my friend during October. So he is not agreeing. You are making a mistake. You are making a mistake. Good day. So the Bipin said, you are making mistake about me. You have a good day. Don't waste your time. He is telling. That is the impression, no? But the man didn't go. Did the man leave him? No, he did not go. Nor did he stop talking. He did not go. Neither he stopped talking. Again he is telling something else more. Okay. Very strange. One evening I had tea with you in the veranda of your bungalow. He is telling another story. Remember that I came to your bungalow where you are staying and I had tea with you on the veranda. We are sitting there. He is telling, no? Veranda of your bungalow. You spoke about your family and you spoke about your family on that day. What is that? You said you had no children, that you had lost your wives 10 years ago. So all these things Bipin narrated to this Mr. Ghosh, is not, but he is not remembering. And your only brother had died in insane. So all the he is telling all the stories about him. Okay, they had a very good chat on that particular day when he went. The Ghosh went to visit him in his bungalow where he said, "You are living. He had no children. His wife died, and his only brother also died insane. Insane means mad, no, mental. His brother was mentally. He too died, which is why you don't want to visit the mental hospital in Ranchi, because there is a very famous mental hospital in Ranchi. So because they have stayed there, the man said they wanted to go maybe, but then he said all this story because his brother died insane. Insane means mentally he died. Okay, so he said because of that you don't want to visit all those things you told me. Do you remember? This is Mr. Ghosh is narrating to Bipin. When Bipin Babu had paid for the books and was leaving the shop, the man was still looking at him in utter disbelief. So, whatever Bipin, this man was telling to narrate him, but Bipin could not recall anything. Then the one man was just standing and looking at him in a strange way, utter disbelief, because the man could not remember anything. So this man could not believe that. What is that? Whether he is playing a trick, whether he is purposely doing all those things. Maybe this kind of thoughts was going in the mind of Bipin. Okay, that is the first part of the story. Okay, now there is a comprehensions you should be able to. I am not going to ask you that now. You must read later and find out the answer for those 3 questions. And when you read also, children, read with the understanding. If you don't understand the words meaning, some words meanings are given in your textbook. There are many more maybe words you may not know the exact meanings. You take the dictionary, refer and write down. Is it clear for you? Now, coming to the second portion of it, let us go to the second part of the lesson. Bipin Babu's car was safely parked in Bertram Street in the Lighthouse Cinema. So here, now Bipin had a car also where he was staying in a bungalow, and his car was parked in Bipin's car safely parked in Bertram Street by the Lighthouse Cinema. He told the driver as he got into the car, just drive by the Ganga. So he had a driver, he got inside the car and he told the driver to drive him, reach him to Ganga. Will you, Sitaram? So what is the name of the driver? Sitaram. So he wanted to go to Ganga. So he asked him to take him to Ganga. Driving up to the Strand Road, Bipin Babu regretted having paid so much attention to the intrude. Intrude means what? Uninvited, intruder means uninvited friend, invited. Uninvited friend. Okay, intrude. Who was the uninvited friend? He is thinking that Mr. Ghosh is not. So he is acting. He is thinking what is recollecting what had happened on the previous day with Mr. Ghosh. He is recollecting. He paid much attention to intruder. Intruder means uninvited friend. Okay. He had never been to Ranchi. No question about it. He is telling that man. He is talking so much about me. And he is recollecting all, thinking why he is so close, why how he knows all about me, all those things, no? So he is also recollecting. But I have never been to Ranchi. He is still telling, I never went to Ranchi. Who? Beppi, he is telling. No question about it. He is telling, no question about it. He had never been to Ranchi. It was inconceivable. He is telling it is inconceivable means unthinkable. Inconceivable means unthinkable. He cannot think about it because he is telling he has not gone to Ranchi. That he should forget such an incident. How can he forget if it is such an incident? How can I? Which took place only 6 or 7 years ago. Some 6 or 7 years ago it had happened. How can he forget? He is thinking about what happened to him. He had an excellent memory. He is telling he had a very good memory. But how can he forget that? This is the thinking of Bepin. Bepin is recollecting. Unless Bepin's head reeled. So, unless Bepin's head reeled. Unless he forget and thinks, no? Yes. Become mad, he said. Reeled means unless I go mad, how can I forget that? He is telling. He was losing his mind. He was losing his mind. That is why he could not remember. But how could that be? He is telling, how could that be? Am I losing my memory? Or how can I remember the long things that man is narrating and he knows so much about me? All this is reflecting on them. He was working daily in his office. How can he? No, he was working daily doing his work in the office. It was a big farm. He was working in a big farm and he was going in a responsible job. Very good. Responsibly he was doing his job. He wasn't aware of anything ever going seriously wrong. Only one day he spoke of half an hour at an important meeting and yet. So, he is recalling, he is working and he is telling nothing of that, but certain things he cannot remember. He is telling, how can it be? So, he is recalling, he is working in an office. He is doing his responsible job, everything is fine. But how is it that? He is telling, okay? No. And yet, the man knew a great deal about him. He is telling, that man knows so much about me. He told, my wife died, I have no children, all those things explained, you know. He is telling, he knows so much about me. How? He even seemed to know some intimate details. He knows my intimate details. What are the intimate details he told? He has no children. His wife died, his brother died, all those things, intimate details about him. Even that man is telling. The only mistake was about having gone to Ranchi. The only mistake is that I have not gone to Ranchi. Again he is telling. Whatever the man said may be true. I had no children, my wife died, all those things. But I had not gone to Ranchi. Not a mistake, a deliberate lie. It is not a mistake, it is a deliberate lie. Deliberate means purposefully telling lies. In 58, during the puja, he was in Kanpur at his friend Haridas Bagcha's place. He is telling, in 58, he was in Kanpur with another friend of him. What is his name? Haridas. So he is telling, I was not there, I have not gone to Ranchi. He is telling, all that the man said is true, but I have not gone to Ranchi. He is telling, he is recalling alone, he is telling to himself. All Bipin Babu had to do was write now no, there was no way of writing to Haridas. He said, it is better that I will write and ask Haridas what had happened. Maybe Haridas, maybe his childhood friend. He thought of writing to ask him, was it true whether he was in Kanpur or these things, no? Then he said, no, there was no way of writing to Haridas. Bipin Babu suddenly remembered that Haridas had left with his wife to Japan some weeks ago and he did not have his address. So he wanted to ask Haridas about his stay in Kanpur because he is not remembering about Ranchi. So, but then he thought Haridas and his wife went to Japan for some few weeks back and he doesn't have his address. So he stopped the idea of writing and asking. When the time of story, that was writing letters, but today means they can phone and ask. But there was no phone facility. That is why he must have thought of writing and asking to Haridas. But he did not. Okay. But there was no need for proof. He is telling no, it is not necessary for proof. He himself was fully aware that he had not been to Ranchi and that was that. He said, no, why should I go for all this proof? I had never been to Ranchi. Who is telling? Bipin is telling. Why should I unnecessarily waste my time thinking all those things? That is the way. The river breezes was bracing. So he was sitting somewhere and he was sitting Ganga, no? Near the Ganga river. So he was sitting, reflecting and all those things. So breeze was coming, it was bracing, that means stimulating him, feeling cold like, no? Meaning is there. And yet a slight discomfort lingered in Bipin Babu's mind. But all those things, recollecting what that man talked, but he cannot remember he had been to Ranchi, and but his mind was disturbed. Okay, because that particular man he cannot remember and recall. His mind was the discomfort, a lot of discomfort was in him. He was not satisfied, lingering. He was not comfortable because the man who knew all about him, he cannot recall. No. This kind of struggle was in him. Around his knee, Bipin Babu decided to roll up his trousers and take a look at his right knee. Then he was sitting there near the Ganga, no? He just rolled up his pant, just because that man said, no, you had a fall and your right knee. So he wanted to look at it. Then there was a mark of an old inch long. So this is one very old one mark was there. He said a long inch cut. There was a cut. So he is still looking and his leg, because even his leg was cut, he did not remember. Then he looked whether it was true. It was impossible. Then he is telling, the cut was there. It was impossible to tell when the injury had occurred. He is telling he doesn't remember when the injury occurred, but the injury was there in his leg. So I will stop here. Okay, a little more. He said he had when the injury was occurred, he had never had he never had a fall as a boy and cut his knee. He tried to recall such an incident but couldn't. Even he asked when it had happened, when his knee was cut, he could not remember whether it is happened in the small or when it had, he is not remembering. He is not remembering anything that had happened in the past. So that is the things about. So we will stop here and we will see in the next class the rest of the lesson. Up to there what I have read it and explained to you, you read. Write down the meanings of the difficult words. Is it clear? See you in the next class with the lessons. Okay? All the best. Read the lesson and write down the difficult words meaning. Okay? Okay. Have a nice day.